Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Strategy led by Bitcoin advocate Michael Saylor has purchased another 525 Bitcoin between September 8 and 14 for $60 million at an average of $114,562 per coin. Well, this brings its total holdings to 638,985 BTC, worth over $73 billion at current prices. Now the firm has invested $47.23 billion to date, averaging $73,913 per coin, leaving unrealized gains of more than $31 billion. Saylor highlights the company's 25.9% Bitcoin yield year to date. Compared with its larger buys earlier this year, this week's purchase is relatively modest. Helius Medical Technologies has raised $500 million to adopt Solana as its treasury asset, sending its stock up over 200% in pre-market trading. The PIPE deal, led by Pantera Capital and Summer Capital, was priced at $6.881 per share and could generate up to $1.25 billion with stapled warrants. Investors include Animoca Brands and Hashkey Capital. While Helius plans to earn yield from Solana staking and DeFi, this move puts it in competition with Forward Industries, another Solana-focused treasury company. Hyperscale Data announced a $100 million Bitcoin investment plan funded by selling its Montana data center assets and equity proceeds. The company also accelerates work on its Michigan campus, designed for AI and cloud computing with NVIDIA GPU systems. So through its subsidiary Sentinel, Hyperscale has mined Bitcoin for years and will now adopt BTC as its main treasury asset. The Michigan facility currently delivers 30 megawatts with plans to scale to 70 megawatts in 20 months and eventually 340 megawatts, supporting AI and crypto growth. BitMine Immersion Technologies has become the world's largest Ethereum holder, disclosing 2,151,676 ETH worth $9.97 billion plus 192 BTC and cash reserves. Now, its total assets stand at $10.8 billion, making it the second largest crypto treasury overall. The latest boost came after BitMine acquired 46,255 ETH for $201 million on September 11. Chairman Thomas Lee said the firm's long-term goal is to hold 5% of Ethereum supply, citing Wall Street's blockchain adoption and agentic AI as drivers of a possible ETH supercycle. US lawmakers will meet 18 crypto executives, including strategy chairman Michael Saylor and BitMine chairman Tom Lee, on Tuesday to discuss advancing President Donald Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve. Mara CEO Fred Thiel will also attend, according to advocacy group The Digital Chambers. The talks aim to build support by the Bitcoin Act, introduced by Senator Cynthia Lummis in March, which proposes acquiring 1 million BTC over 5 years. The roundtable will focus on funding methods that avoid taxpayer impact following the passage of the Genius Act stablecoin bill in July. The first spot Dogecoin and XRP ETFs will launch on September 18, according to Bloomberg analyst and Eric Patronas. So asset manager REX-Shares confirmed the XRP fund, making it the first US product offering spot XRP exposure to institutions. The ETFs will launch under the 40 Act after a short delay last week, and REX-Osprey has also filed for Trump and Bonk ETFs. The no launch dates are set. So while Doge and XRP filings exists under the 33 Act, SEC approvals are still pending. Canary Capital has filed with the SEC for a spot Litecoin ETF, proposing a 0.95% annual management fee, according to the documents dated September 15. While the ETF designed to track Litecoin's price would list on Nasdaq, Coinbase Custody and BitGo are named as custodians, while US Bank will serve as cash custodian. The filing notes the fund's net asset value will use the CoinDesk Litecoin CCIX BER60M, a New York rate. If approved, it will be among the first US spot Litecoin ETFs. Bitwise has filed an S1 with the SEC for a spot Avalanche ETF, which would directly hold AVAX tokens. Coinbase would act as custodian. The ETF's net asset value will track the CME-CF Avalanche dollar reference rate. Bitwise said the product would simplify access to Avalanche by allowing investors to gain exposure through traditional brokerage accounts. Now, the filing comes as Grayscale and VanEck also pursue AVAX ETFs. Earlier this month, Bitwise registered an Avalanche trust in Delaware, signaling preparation for the move. American Express has launched Amex Passport, blockchain-based travel stamps on Ethereum layer 2 network base. The NFTs, designed as ERC-721 tokens, let US Amex card holders commemorate trips booked in the past 2 years. Now, each stamp highlights met meals, hotels, or activities and can be shared on social media. So, stamps are non-transferable and exclude personal travel data. An Amex survey shows 73% of travelers want new ways to celebrate trips, while 56% miss physical passport stamps, reflecting demand for digital travel keepsakes. MetaMask has launched mUSD, a wallet-native stablecoin designed for simplified DeFi use. Powered by Transact, mUSD went live on September 15 in the US and EU. So it is pegged 1:1 to USDC and USDT with full integration across MetaMask Swap, Bridge, and Card. Users can spend mUSD at over 150 million merchants through the MetaMask card. With a market cap of $18 million, mUSD aims to bridge traditional finance with DeFi while offering strong liquidity on linear build and low-cost fiat on-ramps. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.com or scan the QR code.